We're on the 72nd floor of Canada's tallest skyscraper for now. We have two service elevators that were obviously modernized. And then over here is this tiny elevator that goes up one floor. I'm not sure if it's hydraulic or traction. I'm not gonna even risk it because I don't want to get caught or stuck. I wonder what is up there though. See how long it takes to come.
1 minute later.
Hello. Have a nice day, ma'am. Stay warm. Not bad. Of course, like most service elevators, these are huge. And I have a good feeling these used to be touch sensitive or Lexan when opened in the 1970s. Ah, we did it. Sweet. So that goes up all the way to the 72nd, that to the 43rd, and I'm not sure about that one. I think these are supposed to be used for firefighters as well. I don't know. And we're back on the lobby. Just remember, these doors do not say restricted access. And then this tiny elevator here, I think that goes up one floor, right? I'm not gonna risk going in here because I do not want to get stuck. Mezzanine level. This has to be a hydraulic one because this obviously serves one floor.